Hi, I'm back this week with a little bonus video. So while we're talking about our immediate environment and what we can do to improve our toxin load, and it was on the original guide that you received, and it's pretty straightforward in terms of it acts the same way of just burdening our body with so many toxic chemicals, and that is air fresheners of all kinds. So the ones that plug into your car, the ones that hang from your rear view mirror, the ones that plug into your wall, those Glade air fresheners, all of it, it's got to go. We're straight up ditching air fresheners across the board. There are so many toxic chemicals and fragrances within those that there is nothing good about them at all. So research has found that the impact that it's having on your body, specifically your brain, it's really impacting the function and longevity of your brain. And we need your brain to be as healthy as long as possible because it's controlling the rest of your body. And so these are things that we just need to straight up ditch. I know that we love smelly things and we love things to smell good, but that's because we're used to it. We're used to being bombarded with all of these smells and or covering things up with smells. And so it's just become such a habit for us. So air fresheners are the best thing to just ditch all the way. And you will be surprised at how much you really won't miss them, because when we unload that burden, your body will start to get used to more natural smells and you'll realize you didn't really need to plug in the air freshener after all. So that is, again, one thing we're just gonna straight up ditch. The thing to note is that if you are the type of person that walks down the laundry detergent aisle, the cleaning aisle in Target or Walmart or wherever you shop at, and you feel overwhelmed with those smells, right? There's a lot of toxin burden and detox issues usually that come around with that. And so switching over, ditching the fragrances, switching over to cleaner laundry detergent, cleaner cleaning supplies and different things like that are gonna make a really big impact on your health. So right now, I want you to focus on just ditching air freshener. So again, tag me, let me know what you're throwing away, and I'm excited to see, because this is going to be one of those things that's going to make a really big impact. And you don't think this isn't something that we think about because we're just so used to it. So happy ditching the air fresheners. Let me know how it goes, and I'll see you next week.